Sam, get up. We're dancing my ringtones.
For my Chinese work of art. Something. Right.
Step on my upper shoulders. No.
What boob?
No, boom! That heel.
Ow, that really hurt. Ew. My stage. Back off. You're not too strong.
No, it'd be like this kind of movie with like step up to me, she's like and you see her, she's like
Really? Like that? Just like that?
Who is this?
Did you ever see step up too? Or he's like interpret and dance.
Oh yeah.
She's like
Did you get my spaz attack? I was like having my Not big robot.
Like you're already better.
I am.
You suck.
You're not any better. You're like
Shut up.
let's go.
So you guys like my ringtones? No, don't break your vagina. Okay.
Yes, Ham.
Hang on, let me go to this things my sister recorded.
Fingers.
Really?
Betty?
Really?
Okay.
To think I used to be a cheerleader. Wow.
We should have cheerleading tryouts. You guys just like
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And baton.
Get the baton. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
No. And 4. No. 5, 6, and 7. Hi, and welcome to cheerleading tryouts. Woohoo! Oh, tryouts.
Okay, keep going, Sam. Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
we're gonna pump your gas someday.
What?
That's alright.
Hands off. Come on, Sam.
We're gonna pump your
Let's
gas.
go. You go first.
You go.
Bring it.
What?
You ready for this?
What?
I'm ready. You are. I'm you ready for this.
Go.
Hey, you ready for this?
That's it?
Finish.
That's it?
No.
Are we supposed to dodge and dance off?
No.
Oh. Our bad.
Be like white boy.
Haley's still going. Haley brought it. Oh yeah, bring it, Haley. Bring it. That's right. That's right.
No.
Oh.
It's my turn.
No, yeah. Sam, you lose. Haley brought the dance moves.
Actually, it flipped by the one too. Just kidding, it broke my neck.
Just kidding, I broke my neck. Like Haley broke it.
Alright, I'm
If I'm not gone.
Stay out there, son.
Yeah. No, he's still in the